Saving money in 2025 isn't about giving up your life. It's about living smarter, bolder, and more free. And people around the world are rewriting the rules. It's 6:45 a.m. in Lisbon, and Luna, a 28-year-old freelance graphic designer, slips on a second-hand hoodie, fills her kettle with rainwater she's harvested on her balcony, and logs into her solar-powered laptop. Just last year, she was spending over 2,000 euros a month. Now, she's cut her living expenses by 40% without sacrificing comfort or joy. Welcome to 2025. With inflation still biting and wages falling behind, a new wave of frugal innovators is hacking the system, living well while spending far less. This isn't your grandma's budgeting. It's global, tech-savvy, and radically effective. This isn't about deprivation. It's about design. And it might just change the way you think about money forever. Today, saving money has become a serious skill. Prices are still going up. Food, rent, streaming services, even basics feel expensive. People everywhere are looking for smart ways to stretch their cash without feeling poor or bored. In the past, saving money meant cutting out coffee or skipping nights out. But now, people are getting more creative and even a little extreme. From Tokyo to Toronto, a new generation is using clever hacks, digital tools, and bold choices to save big. Some are skipping winter heat to slash energy bills. Others are doing no-spend months with friends online. And some are learning to live well with less, while still enjoying life. This video isn't about old tips you've already heard. It's about new trends and smart habits that work in today's work. Whether you're broke, saving for a goal, or just curious, these extreme ideas could seriously change your wallet. Number 1. Spaving trap or treat. Have you ever bought something just because it was on sale, even if you didn't really need it? That's called spaving. Spending money to save money. It sounds smart, but in most cases, it's a trap. Let's say you buy 3 bottles of shampoo because they're buy 2, get 1 free. But you only needed 1. You didn't save money, you spent more. And marketers know this. They use bright stickers, countdown timers, and bundle deals to make you think you're saving. Now, more people are waking up to this trick. Apps and browser tools can now warn you when you're falling for fake savings. Some even track how much money you waste on these so-called deals. One smart saver, Leo from Berlin, says he saved 600 euros in 6 months just by avoiding spaving. His rule? If it's not on my shopping list, I don't buy it, no matter the discount. The key is to shop with intention, not emotion. If you wouldn't buy it at full price, don't buy it on sale. Real saving means spending less, not tricking yourself with fake deals. Number 2. Collective no-buy accountability. Today, one of the most powerful ways to save money is also one of the simplest: stop spending. But here's the twist: people aren't doing it alone anymore. The no-buy trend is all about taking a break from shopping. No new clothes, gadgets, or takeout. Just the basics: food, rent, bills. And now it's going viral. People are joining online groups, using hashtags like #NoBuyJuly or #SpendNothingChallenge to stay motivated. Take Maya, a 24-year-old student in London. She joined a 30-day no-spend group on TikTok. Every day, she posted what she didn't buy and how much she saved. Her videos got thousands of likes, and she saved over £400 in just 1 month. Why does this work? Because doing it with others feels fun, not lonely. You get support, ideas, and maybe even a little friendly competition. Want to try it? Pick a time, 1 week or 1 month. Invite friends. Share your journey on social media or in a group chat. It's not about never spending again. It's about becoming more aware of what really matters and saving money in the process. Number 3. Radical zero luxury living. What if you gave up every little luxury just for a while to see how much money you could save? That's what some people are doing in 2025, and the results are surprising. Bradley, a 30-year-old from Vancouver, decided to live with no extras for 60 days. No takeout, no heating, no new clothes, no coffee shops, not even snacks. He called it zero luxury living. Instead, he cooked the same cheap meal every day, wore the same clothes, and used a blanket instead of heating. He saved over $1,000 in just 2 months. This might sound extreme, but it's not forever. It's a short-term challenge to reset your habits and see what you really need. Many people do it for a month and then slowly add back only the things that truly matter to them. The goal isn't to suffer. It's to test yourself, grow stronger, and take control of your money. Some people even find peace and joy in the simplicity. Want to try? Start small. Choose one luxury to give up for a week, maybe food delivery or daily coffee, and watch how your savings grow. You might discover you don't miss it at all. Feeling inspired? These next trends take saving even further, into your beauty routine, your energy bill, even how you rent things. Let's go. Number 4. DIY recession hair and beauty hygiene. Haircuts, nails, skincare. These things used to cost a lot. But in 2025, more people are doing them at home to save money. It's not just about saving cash. It's also fun, creative, and empowering. Meet Emma, a 35-year-old teacher in Melbourne. She used to spend over $100 a month at the salon. Now, she cuts her own hair, does press-on nails, and even makes her own face masks using kitchen ingredients. In 1 year, she saved more than $1,200. This rise in DIY beauty isn't just a fad, it's part of the broader frugal living and stealth wealth movement that's exploding in 2025. With so many free YouTube tutorials and cheap tools online, it's easier than ever to learn. From simple hair trims to DIY manicures and natural skincare routines, anyone can do it with a little practice. It's not about looking perfect, it's about feeling good without spending a lot. Many people say they now feel more confident, more natural, and more in control of their money. Try one thing at home: a basic haircut, homemade scrub, or even just a no-spend week on beauty products. You might be surprised how much you enjoy it and how much you save. Number 5. Peer-to-peer rentals and recommerce revival. Why buy something you'll only use once when you can borrow it? In 2025, more people are saving money by renting and reusing things through local apps and online groups. It's called peer-to-peer renting and recommerce, which means buying and selling secondhand items. People now rent out tools, bikes, cameras, party supplies, and even clothes. You pay a small fee to use it, then return it. No need to spend big money on something you'll only use once or twice. Take Olivia in Manchester. She needed a drill for 1 day. Instead of buying one, she rented one from a neighbor through a local app for just $5. She also sold her old blender on a resale site and made $30. Simple, smart, and sustainable. This trend helps you save money, reduce waste, and connect with your community. You can even make extra cash by renting out your own stuff. Look around your home. What haven't you used in months? List it online. And next time you need something, check if you can borrow it before buying. Already own tools or gadgets you barely use. Turn them into passive income by listing them today. Sharing isn't just caring, it's clever money sense in 2025. Number 6. Smart energy as currency. Now, energy is the new currency. Smart savers aren't just cutting usage, they're turning power into profits. But smart people are learning how to treat energy like money and save a lot. One great example is Priya, a retired teacher in Georgia. She started using her washing machine and oven only during off-peak hours, times when electricity is cheaper. She also installed timers on her appliances and unplugged anything she wasn't using. Now she saves over $100 every month just by changing when and how she uses power. Some people go even further. If they have solar panels, they sell extra energy back to the grid and earn money. Others use smart plugs that turn off devices when not needed. Even simple tricks, like using a microwave instead of an oven or setting your fridge to eco mode, can make a difference. Think of energy like digital cash. Every time you waste it, it's like burning money. But when you use it wisely, you keep more money in your pocket. Start by doing laundry or charging devices late at night or early in the morning. Use power strips to shut off electronics with one click. It's easy, and the savings add up fast. Number 7. Hyper-automated pay your future self. Imagine if saving money happened automatically without you having to think about it. That's what more people are doing in 2025, and it's changing lives. The idea is called pay your future self. Every time you get paid, a small part of your money goes straight into savings before you can spend it. And thanks to banking apps and new technology, it's now super easy to set up. Carlos, a web developer in Madrid, uses an app that splits his paycheck into 3 parts: one for bills, one for fun, and one for future goals like travel or emergencies. He doesn't have to move the money himself, it happens automatically. In 1 year, he saved over 3,000 euros without feeling like he was trying hard. You can use this idea too. Choose an amount, even $5 a week, and set your bank or app to move it to a savings account as soon as you get paid. You won't miss it, and it adds up fast. This method helps you build wealth in the background. You don't have to be rich to start saving. You just have to start. Saving money today doesn't mean giving up your joy. It means designing a life that feels rich without the paycheck pressure. So pick just one challenge from this video. Start today. And don't forget to share your favorite tip in the comments below. Want to learn how real people are building quiet wealth and achieving financial success? Then watch this video next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.